In this video, let us derive the expressions for transmission line equations. Assume a transmission line of length L and consider a part PQ, length dx of transmission line which is located at a distance x from the sending end A as shown in the figure. Let the current at P is I, then at Q is I plus di. Similarly, voltage at P is V, then at Q is V plus dV. The series impedance between points P and Q is R plus j omega L into dx, and the shunt admittance between points P and Q is G plus j omega C dx. The potential difference between points P and Q is equal to the drop across the series impedance that exists between points P and Q. Therefore, V minus of V plus dV equal to I into R plus j omega L into dx minus dV by dx equal to R plus j omega L into I. The current difference between points P and Q equal to the current flowing through the shunt admittance that existence between points P and Q. Therefore, I minus of I plus di equal to G plus j omega C dx into V minus di by dx equal to G plus j omega C into V. Both the equations contain V and I. Let us get equations which contain either V or I. Differentiate the first equation with respect to x on both sides. Minus d square V by dx square equal to R plus j omega L into di by dx. Substituting di by dx, R plus j omega L into minus into G plus j omega C V. 1 by V d square V by dx square equal to R plus j omega L into G plus j omega C. Differentiate second equation with respect to x, we get minus d square I by dx square equal to G plus j omega C into dv by dx. Substituting dv by dx, minus into G plus j omega C into R plus j omega L into I. So it is d square I by dx square equal to G plus j omega C into R plus j omega L into I. Let gamma square equal to G plus j omega C into R plus j omega L, where gamma is propagation constant. Then d square V by dx square equal to gamma square V. D square I by dx square equal to gamma square I, where gamma is complex quantity. It is square root of R plus j omega L into G plus j omega C. The solutions for above two equations are V equal to small a into e power gamma x plus small b into e power minus gamma x. I equal to small c into e power gamma x plus small d into e power minus gamma x. We know e power gamma x equal to cos h gamma x plus sin h gamma x, and e power minus gamma x equal to cos h gamma x minus sin h of gamma x. Therefore, substituting these, v equal to a into cos h gamma x plus sin h of gamma x plus b into cos h gamma x minus sin h of gamma x. V equal to a plus b cos h gamma x plus a minus b sin h gamma x. V equal to capital A cos h gamma x plus capital B sin h gamma x, where capital A equal to small a plus b and capital B equal to small a minus b. And I equal to c into cos h gamma x plus sin h of gamma x plus small d into cos h gamma x minus sin h gamma x. I equal to c plus d cos h gamma x plus c minus d sin h gamma x. Capital I equal to capital C into cos h gamma x plus capital D into sin h gamma x, where capital C equal to small c plus d and capital D equal to small c minus d. Let us get equations for V and I which contain only two unknowns a and b. Differentiate equation with respect to x on both sides and multiply with minus. Minus dv by dx equal to minus into a sin h gamma x plus b cos h gamma x into gamma equal to r plus j omega l into I minus into square root of r plus j omega l into g plus j omega c into a sin h gamma x plus b cos h gamma x equal to r plus j omega l into I. From this minus into square root of g plus j omega c divided by r plus j omega l into a sin h of gamma x plus b cos h of gamma x equal to I. Let z naught equal to square root of r plus j omega l by g plus j omega c, where z naught is the characteristic impedance. Then I equal to minus 1 by z naught into a sin h gamma x plus b cos h gamma x. V equal to a cos h gamma x plus b sin h gamma x. We have cos h gamma x equal to e power gamma x plus e power minus gamma x by 2. Sin h gamma x equal to e power gamma x minus e power minus gamma x by 2. Therefore, I equal to minus 1 by 2 z naught a plus b e power gamma x minus a minus b into e power minus gamma x equal to minus 1 by z naught into a e power gamma x minus b e power minus gamma x. I equal to 1 by z naught b e power gamma x minus a e power gamma x. V equal to half into a plus b into e power gamma x plus a minus b into e power minus gamma x equal to a e power gamma x plus b e power minus gamma x, where small a equal to capital A plus b by 2, small b equal to capital A minus b by 2. Let us get the equations for b and I, which contain only two unknowns c and d. Differentiate the I equation with respect to x on both sides and multiply with minus. Minus di by dx equal to minus gamma into c sin h of gamma x plus d cos h of gamma x equal to g plus j omega c into v. And simplifying, we get v into minus z naught capital C sin h of gamma x plus capital D cos h of gamma x, and I equal to c cos h of gamma x plus d sin h of gamma x. Let us convert the above equations in exponential form. V equal to minus z naught by 2 c plus d e power gamma x minus into c minus d e power minus gamma x. V equal to minus z naught c e power gamma x minus small d e power minus gamma x, where small c equal to capital C plus d by 2 and small d equal to capital C minus d by 2. I equal to half into capital C plus d into e power gamma x plus capital C minus d into e power minus gamma x equal to small c into e power gamma x plus small d into e power minus gamma x. These are the transmission line equations.